Hi, I'm Scott Wirtanen. I'm the CEO and founder of Honest Rate, and thank you so much for coming to learn more about us and check us out. So, I think it's important in today's day and age. If you're anything like me, you're making a decision with the mortgage whether or not you're buying a home or refinancing a loan that you already have against the property, or maybe even looking at a home equity line of credit or home equity loan. It's important to know, like, who are you working with. So at Honest Rate, we were founded after 18 years of being in the industry and seeing what's out there with a pretty simple premise, and that is to deliver mortgages with morals. And really what that means is that we as an organization need to stand for more than just profit. I have a view that we're on this planet for a short period of time, and that it's, yes, we are a business, but more importantly, we're here to help people. We are here to help them a lot of times when they're in financial need or when they're needing guidance, and it is our duty to be good stewards of the business and to help out. So a few of our core beliefs are to, number one, for always be honest. That's why we were founded as Honest Rate. It is just at my core to know that no matter what, whether we can help you or we can't help you, whether we find a solution that you love or not, we're going to be upfront and honest with you. And why? I mean, really, to me, that's how I would want to be treated. And we really only have our word. And in this world, it's up to us to decide that are we going to do things the right way, or are we going to do things, the short way to try to make a buck. And at Honest Rate, we're going to do things the right way. We also understand that humans are human. We understand that there's a lot of emotion that goes through this process, whether or not you're online trying to find the absolute best terms to lower the interest rate and save money on the mortgage through a refinance, or you're a first-time home buyer and you're trying to figure out what's best for you. There's a lot that goes into it, and we know that this is not just a numbers transaction. This is real human beings on the other side of the phone or the email, that there are real goals and there are real problems and real things to solve, and that we take it very seriously. We take a lot of pride in knowing that we can help you as a human being. And thirdly, we want to be able to find you a solution that is best for you. Our job and our fiduciary responsibility is to serve you. We've seen a lot of times throughout industry history that there may be folks that have been accused of serving themselves and trying to find what's best for them or their company, and that it's important to us that you understand that we are going to serve you. We are going to do right by you. Our goal is to just find the best loan that serves us at Honest Rate. It's to understand your goals. What are you trying to accomplish? Why are you trying to accomplish that? And then how do we best advise you? And in some cases, that advice means we don't help you and it's not the right time. And we are totally okay being those type of folks and letting you know that. And the last thing is, nobody wakes up in the morning excited, let's do a mortgage today. So we're here to be your advocates and to problem solve and to hopefully make this process easier and a little less painless than what you thought it would be, or maybe what you've been through in the past. So, that is another part of us serving you, is if we can take some of that burden off of your side and put it onto our side. Let's use our expertise, let's use our experience to try to make life easier so this doesn't have to be a big pain. So we appreciate you checking us out. It's a little bit about who we are, what we believe, and hopefully if you interact with us, what you feel that you will get from Honest Rate.